Hello everyone, welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1 to 10. My name is Jagrat and here I am with the last part of the ongoing series Central Tendency. For those of you who are new to this channel, Swiflearn provides 100% live interactive classes. Personalized attention is given to every student by having the maximum batch limit of 6 students per batch. A dedicated acad mentor team that tracks your progress and provides the feedback, and we cover whole syllabus based on the latest pattern of ICSE and CBSE. We provide you with your detailed progress report. We have the SATs so that you can rank yourself among all the other students of Swiflearn, and we have unlimited practice test series for you, and we have subjective test series as well so that you can have a feedback regarding your answer writing skills. So for those of you who have not already subscribed our channel and press the bell notification, please do that. And those of you who are following our videos and are already writing them, go to www.swiflearn.com and book your first trial. So guys, I am very excited for this last video of this Central Tendency chapter. Okay, I hope you guys are practicing well, and today will be like revision kind of things for whatever we have learned in Central Tendency. We are going to have some concept based questions and some subjective assessments as well. Okay, and I request you to please have your pen and paper around, because today's class will be about questionnaires only, and we will have questions and answer and questions and answer. So I would request you to please be ready with your pen and paper, and whenever I present a question, I would request you to please pause the video, or else there will be nothing coming out of the video. You will be just seeing it one after the other. Okay, so first let's start with a revision video, okay, for of whatever we have studied.
Sometimes we need to choose what average to use to analyze data in order to get the most believable result. There are a lot of averages, and you can always construct your own for your problem. But here are all three most common ones: mean, median, and mode. Mean is just a sum of all values in a data set divided by their number. For example, take a look at this set. These are the ages of children who took part in a maths competition. Let's find the mean. To do that, we
Guys, those of you who already know the the way to find the mean, please pause the video and then move forward. Those of you who already know, who wants a revision, please stay here and watch the whole video.
Add all the numbers together and divide them by the total number of values. So our answer in this
what was the formula for mean? Adding all the values and dividing it to number of values. This will give you your
case
mean.
is 13. Median is the middle value in an ordered data set. Let's try to find the median age of children from our maths competition. Here we can see that 14 is the median value of the set. Mode is the most frequent score of a set.
So guys, for median, arrange the data in the ascending order, okay, and then count the number of values. If you are having how many even values, so n upon 2 term will give you the answer, n upon 2th observation. And if you are having odd values, so n plus 1 upon 2th will be giving you the answer. Okay, moving to the mode.
In the case of our children, the mode is also 14. As you can see, average values can be very similar or even the same. But there are situations where some of them fit the purpose better than others. For example, if we are trying to find a measure of central tendency for categorical data, we can only use mode. That's because we don't have values to calculate the mean or to order them in a set to find the median. Consider this. Students from the same class were asked what their favorite pet was, and here are their answers. We can easily notice that most of the students preferred dogs, so we can conclude that this is the mode.
So guys, here they presented an example ki what kind of data you can't find the mean and median. Like if you ask someone that what is the favorite dog a class is having, so you can't have, like, even if they said dogs, like 5 students said dog and all, then also you can't find the average with the help of mean and median. The maximum number of persons who have said answer as dog, that would be the mode. So that's why mode simply means the most number of frequency that whatever class interval or the class mark is having, the maximum number of frequency, that will be the mode.
Of their pet preference. If our variable is ordinal, we can order values to find the median, and it will serve as a much better estimate than the mode. For example, if we look at the results of a questionnaire with the ages of respondents, we can see the tendency by ordering them and finding the median of an ordered set. So here, our median is teenager, although there are more children than teenagers and the mode would be child. But as we can see, the median is closer to the real tendency than the mode in this example, and this will be the case for most of the ordinal variables. Now, if we have an interval variable, we have a possibility of calculating it, so the most credible average here is the mean.
So guys, here they are saying that if you are having a grouped data in the terms of frequency, like if you are having like the data in the class interval form, na, that you are having, just let me produce that. So if you are having a data in the form like here is x and here is f, so you are having 5, 6, 7, 8, and you are having 11, 12, 13, 14. So in this way, you are able to find easily the mode who is having the highest frequency. You can find the median, but like you can find the mean as well for this. But if you are having the continuous data, what is the continuous data? Let me produce that. What is the continuous data? 5 to 10, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. If you are having this kind of data and you are having 10, 15 and 20, so by seeing you can say this is having the highest frequency, but you won't be able to figure out the mode, the exact number of mode, though it is the model class, but you won't be able to find out the exact mode from them. So at this time, the mean and median are the more suitable method for finding the central tendency. Okay.
Let's imagine in the previous questionnaire, we asked for an exact age and got the following results. So our mean here is 13. But the mean has one bug. It's too sensitive for the outliers. Imagine that in the previous example, the ages of adults were 71, 74, and 82, not 21, 24, and 22, so much older. If we count the new average now, we get 29, not 13, as the first time. This situation is almost the same as the previous, but our mean has changed so much. That's why, if our set is skewed, it's better to use the median instead of the mean.
So guys, if like it is the real life scenario, in schools you will be asked like calculate the mean or the median, but you should know the concept. So if you are having interval variables, that is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, median is the best way to figure out the central tendency. And if you are having this kind of data, so you are having mean, and then if you are having frequency data, like this number is arriving this time, this number is arriving this much time, then you can find the mode. I think you might be understanding the concept,
which in our case is 12.5. There are many other situations and their corresponding averages, but in most cases, for a fast evaluation, you can apply the following rules that we've learnt from this lesson. For the categorical variables, use mode. For the ordinal variables, use median. For interval variables that are not skewed, use mean. And finally, for skewed interval variables, use median.
So guys, this was the revision of the video that we have already seen in the previous slides as well. So those of you who are liking our content, please leave a like and a nice comment. And as I already told you, those of you who are our regular viewers, I would request to first go for a trial, okay, and see how a one-on-one interaction looks like at Swiflearn. Okay, so now we will recall mean, median, mode with some numerical examples. Okay, so the mean, median, and mode are often used by the individual who works in human resource department. Like in company, na, human resource department is there. So beta, that department looks about the functioning of the company, how many employees are there, how much they are supposed to be paid, and they handle the employees of the company. Okay, so mean, median, mode data is quite helpful for them, and we will see how. If they want to calculate the mean salary, like if they are hiring someone for the post of, let's say, a manager, okay, for a post, but they want to know that what other companies are hiring at the managerial post, so they will have the average salary of that. They will compare 2-3 companies who are high who are having the managerial post and what they are, the amount they are giving, and they will calculate the mean for it, and then they will offer the salary to the new person that is coming, that this is the salary that we are going to offer you. Then we are talking about the median. Now human resource people, they use the median to calculate the median salary of the group that they are paying right now. Okay, that the group that they are having, of the employees that they are having the median salary. Okay, for example, they say they are having programmers, but there are junior programmers, there are senior programmers, there are interns as well. So they will take the set of the programmers and they will find out the median value for that. Okay, this is the median salary that we are giving for a programmer post. Okay, but they won't add the CEO salaries and other salaries to that set, because that will deflect the data. Okay, now if they are having categorical data, that is the how many different positions are there in the company, how many employees are working in the particular position, and how many employees are employed in a particular position. Like if they are having sales team, they are having marketing team, they are having product team. So who is having the major share? So they will calculate the frequency. If the sales team is having 100 members, and the marketing team is having like for example 80 members, and the product team is having 120 members, so the product team is having the major share in the company. Like not in the share terms, like the major part of the company is composed of the product team. So this is how this mode thing works. Okay, so the next topic was quartile. Except these topics, we studied a new topic, that was quartiles. So beta, quartile is related to 4 quad, you can remember by that. So quartiles were the values that divide the whole data into 4 equal parts. Okay, so how do we find the quartiles? If you are given any discrete data, arrange that in ascending order, and then if they are even, okay, if they are odd, so n plus 1 upon 4 will give you your lower quartile. We were having 3 quartiles, Q1, Q2, Q3. Q3 was known as upper quartile. Okay, let me recall the diagram for you guys, for those of you who don't remember. So suppose this is the data, like this line represents the data, and here is A, here is B. Okay, and we want to divide this line into 4 equal parts. Forgive me if it's not equal. Okay, so suppose these points, like these points, if you let's name them, Q1, Q2 and Q3. These represents the quartile. This is upper quartile. This is middle quartile, or the median is also known as middle quartile only, and this is upper quartile. Okay, this was the diagram that we studied, and these values, these numbers are known as quartiles. Okay, and if you are having a discrete data and you are having how much, like the odd numbers, so lower quartile will be given by n plus 1 upon 4, and upper quartile will be given by 3 multiply n plus 1 by 4. And if you are given even data, so easy, n by 4 and 3n by 4. Okay, so let's understand with some examples, okay, that we are having for you. So guys, pause the video, please pause the video and try to solve it yourself first. Okay, so for this data, we are supposed to find the, like 9 students are given, and we are supposed to find the arithmetic mean. So guys, किसको पता है मीन का फॉर्मूला? Is there anyone who knows the formula for mean? I think सबको ही पता होना चाहिए. काफ़ी लोगों ने तो वीडियो पॉज करके सॉल्व करना भी स्टार्ट कर दिया. Okay, so let me give you the hint. The formula for the mean is total of observations divided by number of observations. This was the data, right? This is the value for the mean. Okay, so guys, like now you have the chance to pause the video. You know the formula. Just total it and divide it by 9. You will get your arithmetic mean. And those of you who have come back to check the answer, so guys, total was coming 531 and number of digits were 9. So the final answer will be, what will be the final answer? 59. Okay, 59 is the final answer. And guys, like this is a trick question, no need to solve anything for that. If the student is if it is written each is increased by, so just increase that in your mean also. So your new mean is 63. This is the trick I am telling you. If it is written each, the marks of each student say increase, so nothing changes will happen, just increase that amount in the mean as well, and it works for addition, subtraction, division as well. Like if each digit was subtracted by 4, so the new mean would be 59 minus 4, that would be 55. Okay, if the each value was divided by 2, so the mean would also be divided by 2, that will give you your new mean. Am I making sense, beta? Okay, so this is the trick that I wanted to tell you about. Okay guys, so now this is the question. डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. सबसे पहले तो अलजेब्रा देख के डरा मत करो, क्योंकि आप लोग वहीं डर जाते हो, क्वेश्चन वहीं गिव अप कर देते हो. डोंट डू दैट. So guys, see here, the mean of a number is 6y7. So how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 digits are there and the mean is 8. Okay, so the very first thing that you can do is write the formula beta. So symbol for mean is x, total divided by number of terms. So beta, if I am writing 8 here, just mean is equals to total divided by number of terms. So 5 terms are there, so total is given by 5 into 8, right? 40. So that's how this 40 is coming. Okay, now for the left hand side we are having sum of all. So we can't add x and y, right? We can't add them, but we can add the other numbers. So we added the other numbers and we are getting 20 plus y plus x. So this is your left hand side and this is your right hand side. Take 27 to 40, subtract it, and then you are getting y is equals to 13 minus x. Some people might be getting x is equals to 13 minus y, but beta, the question has asked y in terms of x, that's why we are having y here. Okay, okay, समझ आ रहा है ना बेटा? जिसको समझ में आ रहा है, please leave a comment and a like so that I can know that I was helpful to you guys. Okay, and अगली सीरीज तभी आएगी जब मुझे अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट देखने को मिलेंगे. Okay, so now height. So height of the like if you are having a plant's height. Okay, so we are talking about 50 सेंटीमीटर लंबे कितने plants हैं? 2 plants हैं जो 50 सेंटीमीटर लंबे हैं. This is how the table is proceeding, and this is a very important question beta. I can't assert enough importance to this. This is very very important question in terms of this chapter. This kind of question you will face quite often in your exams. Okay, so let's solve this question completely. I'll help you solve this question in a complete manner. Okay, so let us produce a whiteboard. Okay, I think that is big enough. And guys, please excuse my handwriting. Okay, so guys, what's the very first thing that we need to do? We need to write our x. So our x is 50, 55, 58, 60, 65, 70, 71. Then we are supposed to write our, I will try to improve it. Then we are supposed to write our f, that is the frequency. Okay, so we are having 2 4 10 f 5 4 3. Then we have to do the sum of it, so I'm just doing it here only. So summation f is coming 28 plus f. Then we are having fx, so we need to multiply these two. 2 times 5, 50 is 100. These two, huh beta? This 2 and this 5. 4 and 55 will give you 220. Then we are having 580. Okay, then we are having a 60f, and then 325, 280 and 213. So now summation will be, beta, oops, let me write that or you guys get confused. So this is 213. So summation fx is 1718 plus 60f. This f is coming here and this 60 plus f is coming here. Now if you remember, let's see you remember or not. In the question, the median was given. The median part of the question was given. So we know x is equals to summation fx upon summation f. So x is equals to 95 is equals to 1718 multiplied by 60f. डिवाइड बाय 28 प्लस एफ. So guys, up video pause करो video and solve this thing and calculate the f. Pause the video and calculate it yourself. Okay, so 60.95 multiplied by 28 plus f and 1718 into 60 f. Then you will, after using the distributive property, the 60 will be multiplied with this and with this as well using the distributive property. So when 60.95 is multiplied with 28, you will be getting 1706.6 plus 60.95 f, and finally you would be having 1718 multiplied by guys, this is not multiply, this is plus 1718 plus 60f. Now all you need to do is throw them here and there. Okay, so 60.95f minus 60f gives you 1718 minus 1706.6, and so you will have your answer. F is equals to 11.4 and divided by 9.5, because you will be getting a 9.5 here, 0.95. So 12 is your answer. So F is equals to 12. समझ में आया बेटा? मैंने कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं किया, जो फॉर्मूले में हो रहा था मैंने वही किया है. ओके, so first of all you are getting the fx, so 16 to f, that's how you are getting a 60f. You will multiply them, just solve according to the formula. Confuse मत हो, वहाँ पर f आ रहा है, आने दो. It won't disturb your equation because this f is not added to it. It is written separately. 60f is also written separately. आपकी कैलकुलेशन को ये टफ नहीं बनाएगा, डोंट वरी. जब यहाँ पहुँच जाओगे, इसके बाद whosoever's algebra is good, there is nothing below that that is comfortable, like that will be putting you off. Okay, so this f was your 12. एंड गाइस अब 11 क्वेश्चन मैं नहीं करूंगा. मीन वाला भी पिछला क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको बताया, समीशन एफ एक्स एंड समीशन एफ निकालना होता है. इसको जल्दी से करो. यहाँ पर एक टेबल अगर आप वर्टिकल में बनाओगे, यहाँ पर एक कॉलम और बन जाएगा एफ एक्स का. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो. सिमिलरली यू विल बी गेटिंग ऑल द नंबर्स, ऐड देम. इसको ऐड करो, दोनों को डिवाइड करो एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर. ओके, ऐड दिस लाइन दैट इज नोन एज समीशन एफ and add this line that is known as fx and divide them, you will get your answer. Don't have a habit of spoon feeding. This question can be done easily by you guys. Pause the video, solve it yourself, then come back to see the answer. So the answer is 38.1. So those of you who have solved this question, very good. Okay, very good that you have solved it yourself. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, so 9 numbers are given and we find the median of this. किसको बताइए how to find the median? पहला स्टेप क्या होता है सर? काउंट करो? नहीं, पहला स्टेप होता है असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करो. सो लेट्स अरेंज इट इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सो 0 1 3 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, this is the same digits that are here. Now count them. So no need to count, you are having a 9 here, so that tells you that they are 9, and 9 is a odd number. N is equals to 9, that is odd. So how shall we find the median? How shall we find it? N plus 1 upon 2 th term, that is 10 upon 2th term, that is 5th term. 5th term will give you your answer. So let's see which term is the 5th term. 1 2 3 4 5. So 4. Your median is 4. बेटा समझ में आ रहा है? मेरी राइटिंग के अलावा सब समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, I hope you guys are also having a terrible handwriting. Okay, so no one can question me. Okay, next question. The weight of 10 students are given below. Find the median of their weights. तो बेटा इसमें भी कुछ नहीं करना है, आप अरेंज करो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, you will get the answer. Okay, अरेंज करो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में. इवन के लिए बता दे रहा हूँ फॉर्मूला. If n here, n is equals to 10, that is even, so it's quite easy. 10 upon 2, that is 5th term. After arranging in ascending order, whichever will be the 5th term, that will be your answer. Okay, shall I move on? समझ में आया ना? Okay, 24 was the term. अब आता है एक बड़ा क्वेश्चन. इसमें आपको देखो क्या क्या करना है. आपको मीडियन निकालना है, आपको अपर क्वार्टाइल निकालना है, आपको लोअर क्वार्टाइल निकालना है। ओके, तो मीडियन तक मैं आप लोगों की हेल्प कर देता हूँ, मीडियन क्या पूरी हेल्प कर देते हैं, ठीक है। चलो सबसे पहला स्टेप क्या होता है, इन्हें कैसे अरेंज करना, असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना। तो फर्स्ट नंबर हो जाएगा 22, देन आ जाएगा 25, देन आ जाएगा 24, 26, 26, 3 26 नज़र आ रहे हैं मुझे, 27, 27, 28, 28, 28, 29, 31, 32, 32, 33, 35, 35, and then one more 35, and then 36, and then 37. So guys, what is the formula for median for this kind of data? देखना पड़ता है कितने हैं ये, how many digits are 19 है। So 19 का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, n is equals to जब ऑड होता है तो n is median is equals to, एक बढ़ाओ 19 प्लस 1/2, दैट इज 10th टर्म। जो भी आपका 10th टर्म है वो आपका मीडियन है। सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, सो दिस इज योर मीडियन। ओके, 28 आपका मीडियन है। अब अपर क्वार्टाइल निकाल, पहले लोअर क्वार्टाइल निकाल लेते हैं। तो बेटा ऑड नंबर के लिए लोअर क्वार्टाइल का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, लेट मी प्रोड्यूस अ व्हाइट बोर्ड। जिन्होंने असेंडिंग ऑर्डर लिख रखा है बहुत अच्छी बात है बेटा, क्योंकि ऐसे उसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी। लोअर क्वार्टाइल के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, लोअर क्वार्टाइल, लोअर क्वार्टाइल के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या होता है बेटा, 3n+1/4, नॉट 3n, यू वोंट हैव द 3, तो 3 वोंट बी देयर क्योंकि लोअर है ना। अपर के लिए ये फॉर्मूला होगा, ठीक है। लोअर क्वार्टाइल के फॉर्मूला है 3n+1/4, दैट इज 19 + 1/4, दैट इज 19 + 1 20/4, दैट इज फिफ्थ टर्म। सो जो भी आपका फिफ्थ टर्म होगा वो आपका क्या है, लोअर क्वार्टाइल है, दैट इज 26। दिस इज योर फिफ्थ टर्म इफ यू सी द असेंडिंग ऑर्डर। सो आपको आपका लोअर क्वार्टाइल मिल गया। नाउ मूविंग टू अपर क्वार्टाइल। अब देखते हैं अपर क्वार्टाइल कैसे मिलेगा। बेटा आई होप आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा होगा। अब अपर क्वार्टाइल, सो द अपर क्वार्टाइल इज, व्हाट इज द अपर क्वार्टाइल, दोनों को लाइक द फॉर्मूला इज इफ द ऑड, ये ऑड का फॉर्मूला है याद रखना, 3n+1/4, अगर इवन होता तो 3n/4 हो जाता। सो बेटा n+1/4 अभी हमने पिछले ही निकाला था, क्या आता था, 5 आ रहा था, तो अब 15th आ जाएगा। तो आपका 15th टर्म आपका क्या था, अगर आप ध्यान दोगे तो 33 था। सो योर अपर क्वार्टाइल इज 33। आप अपर क्वार्टाइल और लो क्वार्टाइल को माइनस कर दो, आपको आपका इंटर क्वार्टाइल मिल जाएगा। दीज आर द आंसर्स जिन लोगों ने खुद करा है, वेरी गुड बेटा, दीज आर द आंसर्स, कीप इट अप। ओके, सो बेटा देखो अब डेटा कैसा हो गया, ऐसा वाला हो गया। नंबर्स थे तो ऐड करना और डिवाइड करना आसान पड़ रहा था, असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना भी आसान पड़ रहा था। अब आपके पास ऐसा डेटा आ गया है और सेम चीज़ें आपसे पूछी हैं कि मीडियन निकालो, लोअर क्वार्टाइल निकालो, अपर क्वार्टाइल निकालो, इंटर क्वार्टाइल निकालो। सो बेटा बहुत ईजी काम है इसको निकालना। मैं सारे फॉर्मूलाज लिख दे रहा हूँ, उसके बाद कुछ करना ही नहीं है, सिर्फ फॉर्मूलाज लगाने। ओके, सो आई एम राइटिंग द फॉर्मूलाज फॉर यू गाइज, प्लीज राइट देम एंड देन ट्राई टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ। सो बेटा अगर आपको मीडियन निकालना है, जिस जिसको फॉर्मूला आता है वो वीडियो पॉज नहीं करिए, मन में फॉर्मूला बोलो फिर कंपेयर करना। L+n/2 - f CF डिवाइडेड बाय f इंटू h, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर मीडियन। अब आते हैं हम लोअर क्वार्टाइल पे, लोअर क्वार्टाइल, अब आते हैं हम लोअर क्वार्टाइल पे। तो बेटा L की जगह पे L रहता है, S की जगह पे S रहता है, बस N की जगह अपॉन में 4 आ जाता है, -CF/F इंटू H। फिर आएगा अपर क्वार्टाइल, क्या आएगा, अपर क्वार्टाइल का फॉर्मूला। अपर क्वार्टाइल का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है अपर क्वार्टाइल का, सो n/3n/4 माइनस CF/F इंटू H। और बेटा यहीं पर अगर यहाँ पर आपका ऑड होता तो n+1 आ जाता, दोनों जगह n की जगह पे n+1 आ जाता इफ ऑड है तो अब n तो मुझे पता नहीं है, पहले आपको टेबल का फ्रीक्वेंसी वाला पार्ट का टोटल करना पड़ेगा, तब आपको आपका n मिलेगा। बेटा जिसको समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि n कहाँ से मिलेगा बता दे रहा हूँ, फॉर्मूला तो आप लोगों ने देख ही लिया। एंड ये 10, 14, 18, 12 और 6 को जब ऐड करोगे तो आपको आपका n मिल जाएगा। ओके, सो जल्दी से सॉल्व करो, वीडियो पॉज करो, सॉल्व करो एंड देन कम बैक फॉर द आंसर्स। ओके, द आंसर इज 39, लोअर क्वार्टाइल 38, अपर क्वार्टाइल 40 एंड 38 minus 40 minus 38 20। ओके, एक बार फिर से दिखा दे रहा हूँ, दिस इज द आंसर। ओके, समझ में आ रहा है? ओके, सो अ बॉय इन स्कूल स्कोर्ड दिस मार्क्स इन द टेस्ट, लाइक इसको इतने सारे ये मार्क्स मिले एक टेस्ट में, तो हमें बताना है मोड मार्क्स कितने होंगे। बताओ मोड कितने होंगे, जो भी इसके सबसे ज्यादा मार्क्स आ रहे हैं। कौन से मार्क्स के सबसे ज्यादा आ रहे हैं? 16 उसका 3 बार आया, राइट? उससे ऊपर तो कोई मार्क्स आए नहीं है इतने ज़्यादा, 19 आया, लेकिन 19 एक ही बार आया, तो आपका मॉडल मार्क्स कितना हो गया? 16 हो गया। व्हाट इज द टोटल ऑफ हिज मार्क्स? ये तो बच्चों वाला काम है, ये तो कर ही लोगे। ऐड ऑल ऑफ देम, इन सबको ऐड कर दो। फिर व्हाट इज द मीन? तो मीन के लिए क्या करोगे? जब सबको ऐड कर ही दिया तो 20 से डिवाइड भी कर दो। ये तो मीन का फॉर्मूला होता है, सम ऑफ ऑल ऑब्जर्वेशन डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन, दैट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर मीन। एंड नाउ द मीडियन मार्क्स। मीडियन के लिए थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, आप लोगों को इसको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना पड़ेगा एंड देन आपको इनको सॉल्व करना है। ओके, इनको पहले असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करो, फिर उसके बाद क्या बोला था, इवन है ये, तो क्या आएगा? बीच के 2 टर्म इसके आंसर होंगे। चलो चलो सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। सो 10 मेरे पास एक ही है, मेरे पास फिर 12 कितने हैं? 2 हैं मेरे पास, 12 2 हैं। 13 आई एम नॉट हैविंग 13, आई एम हैविंग अ 14, आई एम हैविंग 15, only one 15 is there, and then I am having 15 16, so 2 16s I am having. I am having 1 17, there is a 7 as well. Okay, so I am having 1 17 and then, well, I am having 17, yeah, 17 and 19, and then I am having a, like, no, this is the thing. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so are they 10 as well? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, so I missed something. Let us see what was it. Let us compare. बेटा कंपेयर करना सीखो, देखो कैसे कंपेयर कर रहा हूँ मैं। आपको अपने डेटा के कंपेयर देखो कैसे करना है। हाउ टू कंपेयर, लुक, पीछे से स्टार्ट करते हैं, ठीक है? कंपेयर दिस डेटा एंड दिस ईयर। सो 16 16, 12 12, 19 19, 16 16, 14 14, 15 15, 12 12, 10 10, 7 7, 16, one more 16 was there, so let me make it a 16 and then 17. Okay, so ये बेटा 20 नहीं है, ये 10 है। टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस आर 10. ओके, फिर इसके बाद आपको क्या निकालना है? इसका मीडियन निकालने में भी मीन आपका गलत आया होगा, क्योंकि अब इसको डिवाइड बाय 10 करना तो मीन सही आ जाएगा। फिर इसके बाद अब इसका मीडियन निकालना है, सो 20 है, सो 20 अपॉन 2th ऑब्जर्वेशन, उप्स 10 अपॉन 2th ऑब्जर्वेशन, दैट इज 5th ऑब्जर्वेशन, और 10 अपॉन 2 प्लस 1th ऑब्जर्वेशन, दैट इज 6th ऑब्जर्वेशन। तो देखते हैं 5th ऑब्जर्वेशन कौन सा है। 1 2 3 4 5, 5th ऑब्जर्वेशन 14 है, ठीक है। फिर उसके बाद 6th ऑब्जर्वेशन, 5th और 6th, 6 इज 15, ठीक है। 14 और 15 आपके 5th और 6th ऑब्जर्वेशन हैं। सो नाउ अब इनका एवरेज निकालना है। सो 14 प्लस 15 अपॉन 2, सो आपका आंसर आ गया 14.5। दिस इज योर मीडियन। ओके, आई होप आप लोगों को क्लियर हुआ होगा। ओके, मीन आप लोगों ने निकाल ही लिया होगा, ये आपके आंसर्स आ रहे हैं। ओके, सो गाइज दिस इज व्हाट was we studied today, concept of base questions, okay, and we have studied some of the subjective questions as well. I hope ये सीरीज आप लोगों को पसंद आई होगी, और जिन जिनको सीरीज पसंद आई है लेकिन उन्होंने अभी तक लाइक नहीं किया है, प्लीज़ पीछे जाओ, सारी वीडियोस पे लाइक करो, अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स करो, ताकि मैं जल्दी ही नेक्स्ट क्लास की वीडियो लाऊं। एंड इफ किसी को पर्टिकुलर किसी चैप्टर की वीडियो चाहिए, सो प्लीज़ डू लीव इन द कॉमेंट, आई विल ट्राई टू ब्रिंग दैट अप। ओके, सो बाय, आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट सीरीज। ओके, दैट वाज, यू आर एन अमेजिंग ऑडियंस, बाय।